Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1 and today we will present about ergonomics in human-computer interaction or HCI. Let me introduce our group members. My name is Samad Safa Nafi and I will start the presentation. I'm joined by Afin Zaki, Dafa Ahmad, and Muhammad Farhan Zaki. So first, here is the agenda for today. We will start with a brief definition of ergonomics in HCI. Then we'll talk about the main ergonomic aspects. After that, we will look at some example application. And lastly, we'll discuss why ergonomics is important. Next slide.
Next.
Human-computer interaction, or HCI, is about how people interact with computers and digital systems. Ergonomics plays an important role in HCI because it helps users interact with systems in a safe, comfortable, and efficient way. The main idea is to design systems that fit human capabilities instead of forcing users to adapt to the system. Next, definition of ergonomics in HCI. Ergonomics is the science of designing systems, tools, and environments that match human physical and mental abilities. In HCI, this includes both hardware and software design. For example, comfortable sitting, proper screen position, and simple, easy to understand user interfaces. The goal is to reduce physical strain, minimize errors, and improve overall user comfort and performance. And next, ergonomic aspects in HCI. There are three main ergonomic aspects in HCI. First, there is physical ergonomics, which focuses on posture, body movement, and physical comfort when using device. Second, there is cognitive ergonomics, which relates to mental processes like perception, memory, and decision making. This affects how easy a system is to understand and use. And the third, environmental ergonomics, which includes factors like lighting, noise, and workspace conditions. So, by applying ergonomics in HCI, we can create systems that are not only functional but also comfortable and user friendly. And the next slide will be presented by Muhammad Farhan Zaki.
Okay, the next physical ergonomic in HCI. Physical ergonomic deals with how the human body interact with computer hardware and workspace design. Its goal is to improve physical comfort and prevent health problems caused by poor posture or repetitive movement. Examples include proper monitor height, adjustable chair that support the lower back, and correct placement of the keyboard and mouse to reduce strain. The main purpose is to minimize fatigue and physical injury. Cognitive ergonomic is a multi-layer framework designed to protect digital assets while optimizing the user mental interaction with technology. It integrates technical defense such as access control, data protection, network security, and application security, with physical safeguard and human design to ensure that systems are not only resilient against but also intuitive enough to prevent human error and mental overload. Next, environmental ergonomic. Environmental ergonomic, how the surrounding environment influenced computer user. It focus on creating a safe and comfortable workspace that support that support user performance. Key factors include lighting, noise, temperature, ventilation, and workspace layout. These elements directly affect comfort, focus, and efficiency during computer use. Example of environmental ergonomic include adequate lighting to reduce eye strain, proper air circulation to maintain comfort, and a quiet workspace to improve concentration. Okay, the next slide is the Afin.
Demonstration of in HCI or Human Computer Interface. We have application for work comfort, WorkRef. WorkRef assists in the recovery and prevention of repetitive strain injury or RSI. It frequently alerts you to take time away from your computer. And the feature of WorkRef, micro breaks. WorkRef frequently reminds you to take a short micro break, typically every 3 minutes or 20 minutes. You get a micro break to last about 30 seconds. During a micro break, you can let go of keyboard and mouse, look away from the screen and relax a bit. And the right side of notification of micro break. And this you can skip or postpone the notification. Next. And second of feature, rest breaks. Several times a day, WorkRef reminds you to take a break away from your computer. A rest break typically lasts about 10 minutes every 45 minutes. And anyone, if you want one time, you're free to quit time. But the duration and frequency is configurable. During a rest break, you can walk around, stretch, and relax. And the right side of the rest break feature, you can lock the notification, keep notification, or postpone the notification. And exercise of WorkRef itu jadi kayak misalnya ya, at the start of a rest break, WorkRef can show a number of exercise. Jadi bakal kayak ada muncul exercise berbagai kayak pemanasan gitu, kayak pendinginan di tiap kalau misalnya notifikasinya itu muncul. Each exercise takes about 30 seconds and the number of exercises that are shown is configurable. And the right side of exercise, play exercise finger streak. You can skip if you want and postpone notification. Next, demonstration of WorkRef. In the WorkRef, just pop up in the slide. You can configuration WorkRef. If your notification show, you can tap the notification because you must take a break or exercise. We wait for notification. In this of exercise of WorkRef, reach finger. You can skip for notification if you want. Okay, the next presentation will be explained to my friend Dafa Ahmad.
Of ergonomics in SCI. Why ergonomics matters? Ignoring ergonomics can lead to first, physical problems. The example, eye strain, neck and back pain, wrist injuries. Second, mental problem. The example from mental problem, stress, reduced focus, and cognitive overload. And the last, performance issues. The example from performance issues, slower test completion, more errors, and lower productivity. Jadi penjelasannya, ergonomics dalam HCI berhubungan dengan kenyamanan dan kesehatan pengguna saat berinteraksi. Jika desain sistem tidak ergonomis, maka akan muncul beberapa masalah. Yang pertama seperti masalah fisik, masalah mental, dan masalah performa. Masalah fisik contohnya seperti mata cepat lelah, nyeri leher dan punggung, dan cedera pergelangan tangan. Dan masalah mental contohnya seperti stres, sulit fokus, dan masalah performa contohnya seperti pekerjaan jadi lebih lambat, banyak kesalahan, dan produktivitas menurun. Next. Conclusion. Ergonomics plays an important role in human-computer interaction, or HCI, because it focuses on the adjustment between humans, computers, and the work environment to create interaction that are comfortable, safe, and through the application of ergonomic principles to hardware, software, and the work environment. Users can work more productively, reduce the risk of fatigue and injury, and enhance the overall system usage experience. Jadi penjelasannya, ergonomik memiliki peran penting dalam HCI karena mengatur kesesuaian antara manusia, komputer, dan lingkungan kerja. Tujuannya apa? Agar interaksi nyaman, aman, dan efisien. Dengan menerapkan prinsip ergonomi pada perangkat keras, hardware seperti keyboard, mouse, dan posisi layar. Untuk perangkat lunak, software seperti tampilan aplikasi yang mudah dipahami, dan untuk lingkungan kerja seperti pencahayaan dan posisi duduk. Membuat pengguna dapat bekerja lebih produktif, mengurangi risiko kelelahan dan cedera, dan mendapatkan pengalaman menggunakan posisi yang terbaik. Ya, mungkin next. Okay, thank you for attention. From my group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.